Hello everyone, you are watching Tamil Amy Vlogs. Today we are going to see about the aircraft jacking procedure and tripod jack. Before that, subscribe our channel and let's get into the video. Now you are seeing this is a tripod jack. This tripod jack is mainly used for lifting the aircraft and delifting the aircraft. Why we need to lift the aircraft means to check the some inspections and routine maintenance and to conduct the testing of a landing gear, which is a retraction test and expansion test of the landing gear. We need to lift the aircraft and test the landing gear. Okay, for that we are using this tripod jack. Before that we need to know about the tripod jack parts. Okay, this is aircraft jacking point and our jacking pad. This is jacking point. This is jack screw, locking collar. After that locking collar, this is a center strut of a tripod jack. Tripod jack consists of 3 legs. This is fixed legs. 3 legs. Then after plunger, here you can see the plunger. After plunger, this is a reservoir. Then this is a return line. This is relief valve and this is a drain valve. By this drain valve, we can able to collect the hydraulic fluid. After collecting, then we can able to filling the hydraulic fluid by here. Okay. Now these are all the parts. Let's look on the working of this tripod jack. Okay. This tripod jack, as I previously said, we need to lift the aircraft and de-lift the aircraft for testing the landing gear, right? For lifting the aircraft, we need to lift the aircraft by means of this handle. Okay. For lifting the aircraft, we need to put this handle in the plunger by giving the downward force. By giving the downward force of this handle, we can able to lift this tripod jack up. How it is lifting up means, as per Pascal law, we are giving one force right here, right? This force makes the inner stud. This inner stud has one piston inside. This force makes the piston inside to go above due to that Pascal's law. Due to that upward movement, the jack will go upward and the aircraft will lift. This is the manner how the lifting procedure works. And after lifting procedure, by this relief valve and the slot in the handle, we can able to delift the aircraft by turning the relief valve in the anti-clockwise direction. By doing so, the pressure in the inner stud get reduced. The pressure in the inner stud get reduced and the piston get downwards. Due to that, the aircraft got delifted. Okay. While delifting, the pressure in the hydraulic fluid gets into the reservoir by means of this return line. This is the working of the tripod jack. Okay. Then we go for the safety precautions. There are so many safety precautions we need to follow carefully while jacking the aircraft. Okay. First and foremost is that jacking procedure calibration. We need to calibrate the jack pad maybe yearly once. Okay, maybe yearly once we need to calibrate the jacking point. After lifting the aircraft, we need to maintain that position by means of the locking collar. Okay. Then in each tripod jack, we need 2 personnel to operate. Okay. Why 2 personnel means? 1 personnel is for locking the locking collar and another personnel is for operating the handle. Okay, by delifting and lifting. Then we need to obey the instructions of the signalman who is in front of the aircraft nose. That signalman is why he is standing in front of the nose means that signalman tells the leveling of the aircraft. We need to obey the signalman's instruction in front of the aircraft nose. Why he is standing in front of the aircraft nose means he only knows that while jacking whether the aircraft is in leveling or not. Because while jacking we need to jack up the aircraft in a leveled manner, which means if one wing is down, one wing is up, means it will cause a structural damage. To neglect that damage, signalman is standing in front of the aircraft nose and we are instructed to operate as per the signalman's need. Okay, this is one precaution. Then before jacking we need to inspect the aircraft jacking point. Okay, for corrosion, for pitting and all. Okay, if we are using this jack with that corrosion itself, that corrosion leads to a material damage, right? That material damage leads to a structural damage inside the stingers, bulkheads and all. Okay, so that we need to look for the corrosion and pitting marks. Without corrosion and pitting marks only we are able to jack the aircraft. Okay. Then next is If the aircraft hangar is in not uniform means, which means the aircraft hangar floor is not in uniform level means, the aircraft leveling may affect. Due to that, we are using the tripod jack with one adjusting leg. Okay, that adjusting leg means of that we can able to obtain the uniformity with respect to the aircraft hangar. For that we are using the adjustable tripod legs and all. Then after jacking, one important safety precaution is that after jacking we need to mount one board like structure in front of the aircraft nose. We can see that board there. Okay, that board represents that the aircraft is in jack, like that it will represent. And another one more safety precaution is that after aircraft jacking we need to surround the aircraft with the do not enter placard, like that we need to surround the aircraft with the do not enter placard. Okay, these are all the safety precautions while aircraft with jacking and using tripod jacks. If you guys have any doubt regarding AME and aircraft, comment us below. Before the subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.